Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by creating the visual shell and the camera control. Open Starter GUI, add a screen GUI and a frame for your menu. Position and size it now so you can see layout changes. In Workspace, add a camera and set camera type to scriptable so you control it with code. Create a local script inside Starter Player scripts to reference both the camera and the screen GUI. Once done, wire simple toggles to show and hide the frame while taking manual control of the camera. Next, implement smooth camera movement and UI interaction. In your local script, require tween service and create tweens that modify camera. See frame to target menu positions. This produces smooth easing and consistent durations. Use player GUI button. Activated events to trigger those tweens and to toggle the screen GUI visibility. Make sure to set the camera subject back to nil while controlled. Then restore the original camera type and subject when closing the menu. Also debounce inputs to prevent overlapping tweens and misstates when users spam buttons. Finally, finish by restoring normal gameplay and verifying behavior. When the player closes the menu, stop any active tweens, set camera type back to custom, and reassign camera subject to the character's humanoid or humanoid root part so controls work normally. Test and play solo and with multiple clients to ensure cameras aren't interfering across players. If things go wrong, add prints and tween. Completed callbacks to trace flow. Ensure local scripts run on the client. And confirm objects are in Starter GUI/Starter Player scripts rather than server-only locations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.